Hello again, Jonathan, Montana Fire Pits. How you doing, fire pit people? Coming at you with a new video. This one is about a subject I've been waiting to do for a little while, about the ready to finish fire pit kits from Warming Trends and the Crossfire Burner. Here you go. Okay, real quickly, we just took delivery of a 36 by 36 by 18 ready to finish fire pit kit, built by Warming Trends in Denver, Colorado, and of course has the Crossfire Burner inside. We've been waiting to get this guy so we can shoot this video and tell you about what the heck a ready to finish kit is, what it includes, why and how you're going to use it, some of the benefits. Let's get to it. So, we've uncovered it a little bit. You can see this is the burner pan. And these things are packaged extremely well, so you should not have to worry about damage. Included with fire pit enclosure kits is now a vent kit, as National Code requires minimum of 18 square inches on opposing sides. So here and here, or here and there, the holes are not cut in the side yet. These are the vent plates. It's just a flat 6 by 10 vent plate, and you decide where you want that, where you want to cut the holes. Venting is especially essential for liquid propane. Ready to finish kits are a 1-inch welded aluminum frame with a 1/2-inch cement board. Why a ready to finish kit? Simplest answer, because it's ready to finish, right? You can complete this with whatever material you need to. Tile, dry stack, cultured stone, masonry, it's up to you. The biggest benefit of these things is that it makes the planning so much easier, because every time you call or every time you're planning these fire pits, the dimensions are so essential. And I say it's an outside dimension and an inside dimension, which determines the size of the burner. It determines the size of the finished height. The ready to finish kits come in a variety of standard sizes, from 36 all the way up to 72. There's round, square, rectangular, octagonal, all built on these bomber frames. It makes construction easier. Again, it makes the planning easier, the space planning easier, the burner planning easier. In addition to these ready to finish kits, since each one is made to order, the whole Warming Trends system is effectively modular, meaning that you can combine various pieces and parts to design and build your perfect fire pit enclosure. We can effectively make the outside dimension any size, this way, that way, and we can combine effectively any burner with any plate size. And we can design these ready to finish kits for you, ship them freight directly to your door, so your mason, your contractor can finish them, and they're not having to guess and figure out exactly how to build this thing. It just helps sometimes, if it works for you. Ready to finish kits also, again, they're not heavy, right? They're not overbuilt. And it's very important to know these days about these gas fire pits that you don't have to overbuild these things. Typically fire pits are built out of massive pavers or cinder blocks or fire brick, and you have 12-inch thick walls. Now that's okay if you're building it with a paver kit. All I'm saying is that if this works for you, it's so much lighter and you can finish it that way. That way, it's perfect to put actually on a deck, where you're not gonna have to beef up the bottom with more joists and additional support, because it weighs significantly less. It's perfect for a deck, a patio, an elevated deck. So guys, another very exciting thing. I got a couple of burners shipped to me with this unit. This is one of the brand new octagonal units, okay? These are designed very specifically to just introduce a slightly different, slightly more improved flame pattern. Now, all of the burners you know produce an incredible flame pattern. Every jet we know produces exactly the same flame, exactly the same height. It's just the configuration, the direction that they're pointed, that creates the flame pattern. This, the 140,000 BTU octagonal on a 24-inch square pan, is going to work perfectly. This is liquid propane. When you get it shipped to you, it's going to have propane or natural gas tagged on there. Here's a little brass nipple there that effectively is going to connect the burner to the pan or plate. Now, this is unique because these of course we order for demo purposes so we can make these videos, but with your fire pit and your enclosure, it will come with the burner mounted. So you will not have to do this plumbing here. And inside, you're also going to get the related Flexline kit, which is a single Flexline, either 1/2 inch, 3/4, or the dual Flexline kit to complete all your connections underneath. You will have to choose whether you want a log set or fiberglass. You of course have to choose how you're going to finish the outside. You can also include electronics and ignitions with the ready to finish kit. If you order an electronic ignition, it's all going to come assembled already. And basically all you're going to do is put it in place, finish the outside, and complete the plumbing. We are so glad these videos help and that we're making this whole kind of fire pit process easier. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, like, comment, share, and call, email with questions, and we're happy to help you. We're happy to produce custom estimates, and also, most importantly, MontanaFirePits.com, new and improved to research and view all of these products and order straight from the website. Super easy. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you guys soon.